Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Rico Bar, Kipetu a Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 2. I'm joined by Umenier. Wetiski. Nonjebe.
Ntebzeni.
Akabona uDripilo suthi joy. Kita batsa di altar power boy.
Fanda na group ya bakena ntwana.
Yeah.
Bakena kuri Sunday, Monday.
Sure.
Na group siko limineri. Kuri today re bakena nyana. Fethu.
Akabona too fresh utlile gore yi gona le. Assistoko sa.
Assistoko.
Usho
kuba serious nyana. Ihloniphe nyana. Kathwana libo madondo libo baba ka handa libo baba ka handa
madondo na rutsa ka short wa bona ka rai no rudman fakichi
me pesa so okay
yeah I'm not
right okay Sibo I think angazi noma lento yangiwarisha or ngayibeka kanjani but njengoba ngihleze ngisho Sibo kuwena ngithi hleze ngithini kwe
patterns
ama patterns
football is a game of patterns.
All right, football is a game of patterns, right? Into ngihleze ngisho umayelo leyo well Sibo iPirates emagemini ayi8
sure
ewadlalile iya consider kuqala ya consider first ayiwa win lo ma game 8 games
that's a new petty
all right versus Isikhukhune 1-0 versus Sundowns eOrlando M10 1-1 versus Sundowns eLucas 1-1 and then sawina ke ma penalty versus iSundowns eLoftus like kore khona uDenson versus iSundowns eFNB 2-1
sure
versus iLupopo eDRC versus iSwelele eOrlando today versus iRichards Bay yabo sikubalela amagame amangaki ayi8 iPirates if you consider first ayiwin leyo game ku 90 minutes ayibu which means 100% oma game let's consider khona first angeke siwine leyo game
stateless
yes football is a game of patterns all right asibuyeleni lana
never noticed
there is another thing engiwarishayo okay before ngifike lento engiwarishayo Sibo it showed with the first 6 minutes today uthi game angeke siwine why ngisho so Sibo going back to game Arrows lebesidlala eScotland 6 minutes bese sinama shots ayi5 in 6 minutes but today in 6 minutes sibena shots A1 le shots kabani kasibilibili la bekade phasela ubani uReal so lo 6 minutes lo mina ungitshelile ukuthi igame ya today izoba difficult even igame ye TS Galaxy bese benama shots amaningi in 6 minutes even versus iSwelele so today for us ukuthi sibe ne shots A1 in 6 minutes ibibonisa lonto ukuthi iRichards Bay ayizile kuzenze kanjani ukuzodlala
as a bad side
yes so going back to into bengisiyangiwarisha Sibo ngiworried with ama goals uChina wa considerayo recently versus iSwelele uVincent Mpulu uthatha ishot ukuba around the line liyangena lelo goal today iRichards Bay ama goal amangaki oyi2 and especially goal lesithule iRichards Bay liyafana naleli likorobani uVincent as I always say football is a game of patterns iyangiwarisha leyo nto leyo because ama player bazomtargeta now uthi okay if you are around le zone okanye around the line esibiza ngokuthi zone 14 we need to take in ama shots because amateam anama-analyst bayayibuka zonke lezi zinto lezi. Well sengivala Sibo, I think i-difference today or something esebenzile for i-Richards Bay uZikhali Umthembu as well as uSanele Bansi, top performance Sibo from amajita, yeah top performance, and kuyangijabulisa ukubona amajita especially abuya ku-MDC ezothatha i-opportunity abanikezwe yona beyibambe ngezandla zombili Sibo. Angizwe kuba mude kakhulu because ngizogcina ngisho izinto ezi-wrong. For namhlanje siyabonga Sibo ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi safika lana e-Alta Bar. It shows ukuthi ne-channel yenze njani iyakhula, if sekuzoba khona ama-establishments sizokhona ukuthi sihlangane nawo kube khona something esihlanganisayo. As I always say, football is a game of patterns. There is another worry engizoyivala ngayo ama-pattern. Le game esidrowe nesiwelele i-Sundowns ibingadlali, we had a chance yokuthi siwine sibo number 1 sivule negap kancane. Senze njani? Sadlala ini? I-draw. Today Sundowns ayidlali, sidlala against Richards Bay, we had a chance ukuthi sibo number 1. Kwenzakalani? Sadlala ini? I-draw. Inkosi ithela umusa kubona bonke ababukele nabalaleli.
Ngiyakhumbula kanjani onke la mara lawe ngithola